Mondrian Dining Table by Nancy Corzine. A sculptural statement where fine art meets exceptional function. At its heart is the iconic Mondrian base, an architectural form that can stand as a single pedestal or split gracefully in two. When closed, the table presents a perfectly balanced 60-inch circular top. When opened with two seamless leaves, it expands into an elegant 84 by 60-inch oval, designed for gathering, conversation, and celebration. The tabletop is a work of art, featuring a radiant sunburst pattern that captures light and movement from every angle. Shown here in a refined driftwood finish, the Mondrian feels both timeless and modern. Paired with a curated set of 8 Louis XVI dining chairs, armchairs with cane backs and silver stenciling, and side chairs with upholstered backs, the ensemble creates a harmonious, museum-worthy vignette. Visually striking, deeply comfortable, and impeccably crafted, the Mondrian is not just furniture, it is functional art for your dining room. Mondrian by Nancy Corzine. Art you live with. Craftsmanship you feel.